Even the bravest of our furry friends can become scared when they hear thunder, fireworks, and other loud noises. Panting, vocalizing, hiding, trembling, pacing, and being destructive are all signs of anxiety. But don't worry, there are strategies for reducing or even eliminating noise aversion. Here are a few things to try. Help your dog find a place they feel safe. Consider areas that are quiet and familiar. Soothing music, white noise, and pheromones can also help. Make sure this safe place is accessible at all times, even when you're not home. You can also try distracting your dog with a game, food puzzle, or foodstuff toy. An anxiety vest that provides gentle calming pressure can also be helpful for some pets. Keep yourself calm. Your anxiety can affect your pets. If there's any chance of escape, use a leash, even for short potty breaks. Some dogs try to escape loud noises and have been known to jump over an otherwise impossibly high fence. Every dog is different, so try a variety of strategies to see what works best for your pet. It's best to get help before anxiety progresses into a more serious problem. We can discuss additional options, such as behavior modification and medications. Let's work together to make sure your pet is as comfortable as possible.